I was asked by email and inbox, do the hog on welding courses that I teach independently, the 30-hour courses, do you get a certificate to say you completed it to show it to a potential job client or trying to get a job or independently? No, we don't give a certificate, a piece of paper. Now, I can give you a piece of paper, but let me tell you the truth about that certificate, about that piece of paper. That's my certificate up there. When I went to school for 14 months and I learned combination of welding. I'm going to go in just a little bit so you can see. See that? Combination of welding. You know something about that? I was never asked on no job I went to looked at my piece of paper. They sent me with a supervisor to take a welding test and say, can you make blase? Can you jump in this booth and cut this machine on and start welding? Can you cut these bottles on? Can you set this situation up? They never asked me about the piece of paper. They wanted to know my skill set. Can you weld? Can you do this? Can you square this? Can you cut this piece of metal? Can you do so-and-so, so-and-so? Do you know safety? Those are the things they asked me. They never asked me to look at this. So I sit it here as a piece of paper, accomplishment. I did it. I learned the knowledge. So it wasn't a piece of paper that got me the jobs. They got me the LLC, the business that I started. It was the knowledge I've received. It's the knowledge. So what I give is valuable knowledge, in a small time, frame. My 30-hour courses are $600. $600 to invest in your independent 30 hours. Hands-on training. Missing all the BS. Going straight to the meat and getting what you want exactly. TIG welding, MIG welding, stick welding, flux core welding. Hands-on. Showing you how to set up your business, get your EIN, start your LLC, answer different questions you have within that 30-hour session. Where can you get that at? Now, I can give you a piece of paper, but don't you think it's more valuable the knowledge that I give you? Don't you think it's more valuable showing you how to set things up for yourself, showing you how to instantly go get a job and allow that job to pay you to go get some certs if you want your certs? It's ways to think outside of the box. What do you really want? What do you really want? That's what you should ask yourself. Is it the paper? Or is it the skill set? All right.